This is our life before COVID-19 pandemic.
But everything became different when the virus spread without any warning.
No reason or status was exempted. The deadly coronavirus was inevitable.
The economic and social disruption caused by pandemic is devastating.
Deaths, poverty, economy, education, and mental health was greatly affected.
Scientists around the world are developing many potential vaccines for COVID-19.
And the long wait is over.
The COVID-19 vaccine is here.
But the question is it safe?
Or are we risking our lives again?
So what are the things that we need to know about COVID-19?
Let's
Watch this.
What is the importance of COVID-19 vaccines? Wearing masks and social distancing help reduce the chance of being exposed to the virus and spreading it to others. But COVID-19 vaccines are also important, for it is the best tool to aid and help us keep away from getting the virus. Vaccines work with our immune system and it is ready to fight the virus that we are exposed to. By that, pandemic will stop and we can have a normal society again. We can enjoy daily lives, family events, work and school without social distancing, without face masks, and without fear. In short, we will get our lives back. That's why it is relevant.
What are the benefits of COVID-19 vaccines? COVID-19 vaccines is a protection against COVID-19. COVID-19 vaccines gives you immunity, gives you antibodies, and that is the best way to prevent transmission of the disease. It keeps you safe, it keeps the people in your community safe, it makes sure that who belong in your house is safe. It enables you to travel. International travel may require vaccination certificates. It ensures safety during large social gatherings, and vaccine will be an important tool to help stop the pandemic. Wearing face masks, social distancing, and staying at home help reduce your chance of being exposed to the virus or spreading to others.
What are the risks or the effect of vaccination? The risks are mostly symptomatic as your body develops an immunity to the coronavirus. The risks for a severe reactions are negligible. Mostly, you might have a sore arm for a day where you were injected. There may be a bit of redness at the injection site, and the person may not feel quite normal, with minor flu-like symptoms such as redness in the face or arm, body aches, a tight feeling in the throat, possible nausea or any difficulty breathing, or you feel like your heart is beating fast. Call 911 immediately as you may be having an allergic reaction that can be dangerous or even life-threatening and needs to be treated immediately. With this current viral pandemic, it is going to be very necessary for people to be vaccinated in order to provide immunity for everyone. This is a very infectious and deadly virus we are dealing with. Most of us are afraid to get vaccinated, and that is understandable. But the risk of being not vaccinated and contracting the virus is far more serious than a slight reactions from the vaccine.
How will we know if the vaccines are safe? Ensuring the safety and the quality of the vaccine is one of WHO or the World Health Organization's highest priorities. WHO or the World Health Organizations work closely with the national authorities to ensure that the global norms and the standards are developed and implemented to assess the quality, safety, and the efficacy of the vaccines. The process to develop COVID vaccine is fast-tracked while maintaining the highest standards. There are many strict protections in place to help ensure that the COVID vaccines are all safe. Like all the vaccines, COVID-19 vaccines are going through a rigorous, multi-stage testing process, including large or the phase 3 trials that involve tens of thousands of people. Once a clinical trial shows that the COVID-19 vaccines are all safe and effective, a series of independent reviews of the efficacy and the safety evidence is required, including regulatory review and approval of the country where the product is being manufactured before World Health Organizations consider the vaccine product for EUL or the pre-qualification.
The effort of the Philippine government in ensuring vaccines for the country.
So the Philippines has ordered 25 million doses of Sinovac, and the first 600,000 doses of Sinovac vaccine donated by the Chinese government arrived in the Philippines on February 28. Sinovac was the latest to be granted emergency approval in the Philippines following Pfizer and AstraZeneca.
On March 4, more than 480,000 doses of AstraZeneca vaccines arrived in the Philippines from COVAX facility. The international partnership established to ensure the equitable distribution of COVID-19 vaccine around the world. So the Philippines is among the first countries in Southeast Asia to receive vaccine from the COVAX facility. So the Department of Health Secretary Francisco T. Duque III says that let us put trust in science, in vaccines. Together, we will rise as nation and heal as one.
As students, what can we do in order to help our government and their vaccination program? As we are given a privilege to study, to learn new things, to assess information, to become media literate, and to access information, we should become a source of truth. Starting from our respective homes, we can educate our family members in regards to COVID-19 vaccines. We can hear a lot of negative things about COVID vaccines, and we cannot deny the fact that some of our family members choose to believe it. We can help our government in their program by spreading awareness and reliable information from the World Health Organization or the Department of Health. We should provide information about the importance of vaccines and the process it went through to ensure its safety and effectiveness. Instead of just merely listening to what other people say about these COVID-19 vaccines, we can correct them by educating them and telling them information about it in a respectful way. We can utilize our social media platforms to spread information and to help people understand the importance of vaccines and how it can help us. We need to make use of the opportunity and the knowledge that we had in order to help our government. And together, we will heal as one.
More than a year into this pandemic,
We have gained a lot of experience.
Health protocols like social distancing, wearing face masks and face shield, hand sanitizers became our habit.
And now, we are optimistic about the new, safe, and effective COVID-19 vaccines.
People all over the world are encouraged to continue listening to local health authorities.
And thinking about how the actions we take as individuals determine our collective health.
Vaccines brings hope that we can survive this pandemic.
All we need to do is to spread awareness.
About the importance of COVID-19 vaccine.
Also
Remember that we have the power and influence.